Yes?
So take a look at these windows. I think this is the best they've ever looked.
You think so?
I think so. Where are you
All
at?
right,
There you
I'm
are.
right here.
No, I mean seriously, there's no streaks. It looks really good.
I see streaks, but I'm very particular.
Oh, well, I'm not apparently. I think it looks great. Love it.
The streaks are probably on the inside, which haven't been done yet.
Well, those are the dog nose prints. Hey, it's Doc. Welcome to the channel, and this is Patty, and today we're cleaning windows. So sometimes you see stuff on Facebook Marketplace, you see stuff on Reels, you see stuff on TikTok and Instagram, and as seen on TV, these impulse buys. And we've got a few impulse buys that we're going to bring to you guys just to show you how cool or stupid they are. And this is the newest one. Hold her up. This is the, well, I don't think it's all that new, to be honest. This is the original AquaBlade for cleaning windows, and it's December 7th here, 60 degrees. So Patty's cleaning windows.
Yes, I am.
And I'm not. Stick with us. So,
Okay.
you are going to introduce the product right now.
Okay. I don't recall the name of the manufacturer.
The AquaBlade.
Ah,
Well,
okay.
no, the original AquaBlade.
Okay. So this kit is the original AquaBlade, and it came with a towel for wiping off the squeegee. This is the squeegee. It's very unique. Supposedly, it's going to catch the water inside, and then I'm going to dump it out of this hole. And it also comes with a microfiber scrubber. Scrub first, squeegee second, wipe the squeegee,
And then dump.
and dump.
Dude, you should be on QVC. Is there QVC anymore? I don't even know.
I don't know either.
All right, so we'll do one more quick look.
Okay.
And then there's the cool little hole. And the squeegee is kind of cool in the respect that the water is supposed to go down into these little grooves down here, and it collects the water there, and then when it fills up a little bit, you dump it out.
So I don't know how other people wash windows, but a lot of times I'm covered in water by the time I'm done. So
Well,
we're going to see if this actually works.
let's go.
Okay. This is a work sink at its finest. Nothing pretty here.
So it did not come with instructions.
No.
So we watched the video.
Yes.
And on the video, it basically said that you're going to use Dawn detergent.
Correct.
You're going to apply it directly to the dry towel. Is that right?
To the scrubber.
To the scrubber.
Yes. And then, I don't know, then you dip it in the water and dip it in the water before you rub. I don't know. Most instructions I read said to make a Dawn water solution. But that video we watched said to put the Dawn right on the microfiber scrubber.
Well, we're going to find out.
I don't think I have enough water.
Fill her up.
I'm using hot water.
Well, I think hot water is always good because if there's an oily substance at all in the window, it's going to help strip that, which the Dawn will as well.
If I knew you were going to videotape this, I would have bought a new bucket.
No, that bucket is just fine.
It's old. Merry Christmas to me.
So it's what, December 7th, and
Yes.
it's 60 degrees out in southern Iowa, so we are cleaning
It's
windows.
the last nice day. All right, so I have my squeegee. First I need my scrubber.
Zena's helping.
Always have help. So here we go. These windows are mighty dirty. We live on the gravel, so that's why you have to wait until the very last possible moment of fall to wash. Okay, there's our Dawn.
Okay.
If this works, I'll be happy. So it's a dip. I don't know why we've decided this one person on YouTube.
Well, it was the actual guy who presented the AquaBlade stuff.
Here's news for you. I can't reach the upper double hung.
I'll get you a ladder. I'll get you a ladder here in a few minutes.
But just for testing purposes, okay, we've scrubbed. Everything all scrubbed. working. Now let's see. No, the test will be tomorrow morning when the sun's shining in the window, to be
Right.
honest. All right, good.
That looks almost professional. Okay.
Almost. Now, this is not very tight against the glass, but it looks like it doesn't need to be. So you can see it's...
Look at that, and all the water. Hold it up for a second. All the water, soap runs down the inside. It's
Inside
like
the thingy.
going against gravity. That's super weird. It's funny I get excited about stupid squeegee. Look at that, it actually works.
It's looking very clean.
Wow.
Oh, sorry. A little miss there. And it said you can wipe the squeegee if you want to. What I would do is I go around the edges and wipe off anything that...
That looks like it really, honest to God, works.
It looks very clean.
Now I saw a large variety of prices on the internet, and I think I paid like $29 or $39 for this, which, dude, if all the windows look like that, totally worth it. And oh, look, it's coming out. Let's do another one quick.
Okay, well, I can't reach the
How about the
top.
bigger ones up front?
Okay. Bring the dawn. These are dirty windows. Get
Yeah.
a good look at that.
Yeah, these are really
I'm
dirty.
just going to dip
There's your dawn.
and dip. I don't know that I need more dawn.
Okay.
Do you think?
Yeah, just pick the dirtiest window you got there. See, I think the reason you're not supposed to have a lot of water on there because then it runs down the side of the house. But maybe, I don't know. I'm not the window cleaner.
No, you're not.
So I'll probably get yelled at. So,
I'm thinking of all the times I've washed the windows.
and I didn't help.
And there
That's
was water
all of
running
them.
down the house. That's pretty. It's like painting. My concern, maybe in the summertime,
Did it dry too
this
fast?
dry faster than I can get it
Yeah.
taken care of.
I'm gonna hire you out as a window cleaner now. Look at that. Oh,
Missed a little spot, but it's.
okay. Now show me the scrubber again. Look at that.
This is the.
That is so
squeegee.
cool. Or the squeegee. Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, I made a mistake or something. But it said you should be able to go back.
Yeah. Go back and do that one.
I'm gonna wipe it though.
Okay.
Squeaky clean? Not
Yeah.
really. I don't know if it's. I have to say it's
Okay.
pretty effortless.
Right.
I'm not pressing very hard. It's just.
But looking at the results, it looks a little streakier here.
Yeah.
Is that because there's too much soap, or?
I don't know, or not enough soap.
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's try it again. And you have to wash a window twice, according to my father.
Okay.
So, boy said once to get the dirt and once to make it clean.
Okay. You might want to wipe off your squeegee too, just because. All right.
Okay. It was nice of them to send a little
Take
towel.
25.
Yeah, they're not going to hire me at QVC.
Oh, there! Look at that. Oh, you got a little miss there.
Just along the corner.
Yeah. Why is that? Are you easing up or something? Or?
No.
It's still looking pretty good there.
It's pretty good. It could be an angle that I'm at or something. That's pretty good.
That is pretty good. So based on our, oh, there we go. Based on our results, do you think this is worth like $30?
$30?
Actually, I think the the microfiber towel-y thing, the scrubber is worth a lot. I like that.
I like that too.
Yeah, and I think this does well. One of the other things to point out about this is, show me the squeegee again, is when the squeegee wears out, they did both sides, so you can take it apart and flip it over and use the other side.
Screws.
Yeah, so a little bit of thought there
I
and
mean,
consideration
before
for the
and after,
customer.
Looks pretty fabulous. Don't
Yeah.
the inside.
So look
needs
at
to be
the
cleaned yet.
yucky window
We do
and
have
the
2
clean
dogs,
window.
so we need to do the inside.
And there was a lot less effort than with a normal squeegee, I think.
My question was, could I use this inside? Maybe it's just the method that I go about.
Well, I think you could use it inside, but look at the big mess you're making.
I know.
Yeah, so you'd have to figure out a cleaner way to do it. Well, do you think it's worth it?
Sure. I do.
Yeah, I think so. I think so too. And there you go. So if you guys want to buy, you know, kind of sketchy stuff that you see on TV, we're testing it out for you. So you guys have a great day. We'll see you out there.